What if A could guarantee your bakes turn out perfect? Today we're testing the top A tools that analyze recipes, predict outcomes, and even customize them for your dietary needs. Traditional baking is frustrating. Tiny mistakes ruin entire batches. A tools now analyze ingredient ratios, temperature precision, and timing automatically. Whether you're a beginner or professional baker, these tools eliminate guesswork, save money on failed attempts, and help you scale recipes instantly. Perfect for creators documenting their baking journey, or small businesses optimizing production. We tested ChatGPT Plus for recipe customization, MidJourney for visualizing finished products, and Jarvis AI for content creation around your bakes. ChatGPT instantly converts recipes for allergies. MidJourney shows exactly how your cake should all be. Jarvis generates social media captions in seconds. All three integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Watch as we input a chocolate cake recipe into ChatGPT, asking for vegan modifications and half-batch scaling. The AI recalculates every ingredient instantly, no math required. Then we generate 4 stunning cake images using MidJourney. Finally, Jarvis creates 5 Instagram captions optimized for engagement. Total time under 5 minutes. Use these tools to create consistent, high-quality content faster. Sell digital recipe guides generated by AI Tall. Launch a baking course with AI-edited tutorials. Freelancers can offer AI-powered recipe development services. Small bakeries save hours on recipe testing. Start free with ChatGPT. Upgrade for advanced features. Your competitive edge starts here. You're competitive. Subscribe for more A-tool reviews that save you time and money. Like this video and comment your favorite baking fail. Let's solve it with A.